Hello and welcome back to Journey on the Trail. Today, my daughter and I are at Broughton Nature and Wildlife Area, and we're going to do a lollipop trail here. We're going
lollipops. I like to lick lollipops.
yeah, we're going to do the pink trail up to the red trail and check out the pond, and then we're going to take the cyan trail back onto the blue, red, and then pink. So a lot of different
Pink's
trails
my favorite
here.
color.
Excited, Savannah?
Uh-huh.
It was Savannah's idea to come out here and hike today, so going to be a beautiful day and looking forward to getting out here. Okay, so we're down here at this pond. We're going to go up the pink trail, red, up to the Carl Broughton pond, red, then cyan, cut over on the blue, red, back on the pink.
It looks nice around here.
It does look nice around here. What's nice about this trailhead that we started at, it's kind of a little difficult to find because you have to drive around the business complex, but there were no cars parked here versus the other trailheads had, I don't know, a good dozen cars or so. It's a Sunday, but it's cold out, but it's sunny.
This is a big hill.
It is.
You could play King of the Hill of this.
That's true. Pink trail was a little rough.
Yeah, and I see something coming.
It was unmarked. It went from being pretty good to suddenly very rugged, but it was just a small little ways. We're on our way now. Putting a bunch of new power poles. See where that red marker is?
Yep.
We go that way. There you go. Good job.
It sure looks beautiful.
Sure does.
I can't stop saying it. I hope we get to the pond.
We're gonna get there.
Wow, that's a big pond.
You beat me to the bench. Pretty view, but it was a straight up shot. It's great how many maps they put out on this trail. So again, we started here, made up the pink, came up here, had our break at the pond. So we put this pretty bow here, but we're here now. And now we're making a left on the cyan trail. Coming down, we'll hit the blue.
Left up the hill.
I know, the left is right here. See, this is the cyan trail.
Wow.
Continue that way onto the red trail. We came from the red trail that way. This way is the cyan trail.
I slid my way down.
Give me 5.
I slid my way down.
You did good.
In the mud. Wow, that was cool.
It does. Can you show me how it's done?
Okay, I'll try. But I guess I'll try.
You'll do it. Just use your trekking pole to help you. There you go. Use your trekking pole to help keep your balance. And there you go. Good job. You're doing it. Right up that hill like a pro. That's a big hill, wasn't it? So here we are at the intersection of blue and red. Came from that way earlier and we went that way. And now we're going back that way. So when you come out of the red trail, you kind of pop up into all this work here, so it's not usually quite this torn up. They don't really have the pink trail marked anywhere, and I don't know if it's because of construction maybe, or I'm missing it.
Well, I think I see the pond down there.
Yep, that's the pond, so let's go ahead and go this way. In any case, this is the way we need to go. But yeah, I wish they had the trail better established.
Really steep.
Yep. I'm gonna put down the camera and help us get down this hill. There we are. Back to the pond. All right, Savannah, what did you think of our hike?
Good!
It was fun. So what was like the trails like?
It was muddy and slippery.
Yeah.
And it had a lot of uphill and downhill.
Yeah.
And I get to have my chocolate egg.
That's right. You earned a chocolate egg. But you had fun though?
Uh-huh.
Oh, thank you, honey. Love you.
Love you.
All right.
You got hand sanitizer.
I do, and you do too. All right, everybody. Well, thank you for joining Journey on the Trail. Bye.
Bye.